I'm 51, recovering from a health crisis, and I'm making my first $1 online yet again. Most financial gurus lie to you. They tell you how to make $10,000 a month while you're sitting there wondering how to pay for the next box of diapers. When you're in the trenches, $10,000 isn't a goal. It's a fantasy, my friends. You don't need a fantasy. You need a breakthrough. I'm Thurman Matthews. I am 51 years old. 3 weeks ago, I was in a hospital bed with blood clots. 20 days ago, my daughter was born. I have a 16-month-old son and a newborn. And because of medical costs and a 40-day internet blackout, my growth bucket is at exactly zero. I am starting over. But I'm not chasing $10,000. I'm not even chasing $100 today. I am chasing one single dollar. Why $1? Because the gap between $0 and $1 is bigger than the gap between $1 and a million. $0 means you are a consumer. You are a victim of the economy. $1 means you are a producer. It means the system works. Once a stranger on the internet pays you $1 for your knowledge or your system, the spell is broken. You realize you don't need a boss. You need a protocol. It's not just saving money. I'm installing a financial operating system. Bucket one is the parachute. It's not a 6-month emergency fund. That's too far away. It's a 1-month liquidity buffer. It's for when the blood clots hit and the world stops. Bucket two is the income engine. This is where the $1 lives. We aren't building a corporation. We are building a simple digital offer that solves a problem for someone else. Bucket three is the dream reservoir. In this house, we don't wait 40 years to retire. We reward momentum now, so we have the strength to keep building tomorrow. This isn't about being a millionaire. It's about being a sovereign breadwinner. If I can make $1 while recovering from an infection with a newborn in my arms, then the excuses the world gives us are dead. I'm going to show you the exact moment that first dollar hits my account. No pretending, no guru speak, just the protocol. For the next 30 days, I'm documenting the rebuild. I'll show you the worksheets I am using, the failures I hit, and the moment the engine finally turns over. I've opened up 10 spots for founding members who want to install this protocol alongside me. You get the V2 manual and you get to join me on the implementation calls while I rebuild my family's future from scratch. The link is in the description. But even if you don't join, watch the journey. Watch what happens when a father refuses to stay at zero. This is day one. Let's get that first dollar.